So, what forages should we use in our horse pastures? Well, there's three main things that need to be considered when making this choice. One is going to be our nutritive quality. So, do the grasses have the nutrients our horses need to thrive? But that doesn't matter entirely if these grasses are also very low yielding. So we also want to consider what is their forage productivity. Are they producing enough over the course of the year or the grazing season to be able to sustain our horses? But neither of these are going to matter if our horses will not eat it. So we also want to factor in their preference. Will the horse actually consume this forage? And so it's very important to consider all three when picking out your ideal forage, and it's typically not just going to be monoculture or one grass species. We're going to mix a few together to create this nice blend and kind of take advantage of the good traits out of each of these specific forages. So studies have been done. One was completed at the University of Minnesota right before I started. And they found a mix containing perennial ryegrass, tall fescue, Kentucky bluegrass, and timothy fit all of these categories. And what was interesting is they looked at about, I think, 12 mixes, and there were two that were the most productive and again, hit all of these categories, and they were basically the same mix. And so they found two different brands of these species. And so it's important to kind of pay attention to those things when then picking the forage that we're going to use in our horse pasture.